Hi everyone, in today's video, I will talk about how to download and install Emerson Movicon.NExT. Emerson Movicon.NExT is a modern software platform used to build HMI and SCADA. It's a next generation software that you designed everything from small, simple machine HMI to the massive cloud connection factory command center. Let's get started. First, we should download the software from Emerson official website. In the browser search here, type in Emerson Movicon.NExT download, okay? Then click download tried. First, you should fill all this format, then submit, okay? I fill already, then submit. You can go to this one. In here, okay? In here, you can download Movicon.NExT 4.4 software and version 4.3, version 4.2. This new version is 4.4, okay? You can click if you which one you want. I just use very new one, okay? I download already. Let's get started. Okay, Movicon next setup. Okay, take Movicon. Here we can set up. We can go next. We can use. Yeah, just this one. You can design everything. Install is SQL. Okay. Great. Access this term. Okay. We just use English. Okay. We didn't light. We use light. It's much like it's the same use light. Okay. Okay. Install. Movicon.NET. We start. We can try this software. Okay, now we create new project. Local project. Local project. Name test. Okay, finish. Look here. Just first we create the tiger. Okay. Now in here have the Python script. You can use Python script to do something. Okay, this very new software. Nothing. This here is OPC UA. Here is the toolbox. Is everything okay? Screen in here. You can create a new screen. Yes. Everything in here. Okay. That's it. Today we just show you how to download and install this software. Thank you very much.